Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Well, the support area has generated another profitable trade, even though it hasn't moved up massively today. But the price has reacted again to the 61.8 retracement. I did highlight to you in the previous video that, especially in the last few days or the last week, Ethereum has really a tendency in these lower time frames to retrace to the 61.8 retracement. I did hide the support and trend reversal areas we had before here in the last week, but all of them were successful trades. So if anybody used them, I think we had 3 or 4, and anybody who didn't make any money with that, I don't know, but they were all successful. So we had a support area here, trend reversed. We had a support area, no, a resistance area here, trend reversed. We had a support area here, trend reversed. We had a support area here, trend reversed. And actually this one as well. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you have these hot runs and it works, right? Sometimes you don't. But when you have it, you can make quite a bit of money trading the range. Oh yeah, and the reason why I said this is actually that Ethereum did, I think in all of these instances, push directly to the 61.8 retracement and reverse from there. Quite interesting. It was here the case. I still have this one on the chart because that was the relevant one for today, that we discussed earlier today. So anybody who watched the first video today was prepared that we would probably make another low and then reverse from sort of the 61.8 retracement area. At least we should hold 1611. So this one worked, and this one yesterday was resistance here. So yeah, the move up seems impulsive. So it signals the onset of wave 3. It's very early. It's an early signal, but again, as always, you can adjust your stop loss when you entered somewhere in here, and you have no risk of losing anything. The thing is, now it needs to break, however, above 1670 in the first step. Better above 1673. That's the golden ratio where we got rejected here yesterday. And then the next resistance will be at 1704, which is the 78.6 retracement. Until we get there and break above it, this move up could just be some kind of a part of the corrective B wave, because all of this could just be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. I actually need to adjust that based on the latest. So A wave, B wave, and C wave up in a larger B wave. So a corrective move. Possible, absolutely possible. Only 3 waves. We need to be ready. This could just be a B wave. Therefore, I highlighted to you these resistances, and not without reason, because we got rejected already twice from them, and they were profitable short trades. So from here, from this resistance area, got rejected into the downside. I mean, the question is, do you want to trade that short or not? It's not for everybody. And we had one here. Okay, but now we're turning around, and the point I try to make is we need to break above that resistance area. But each of these resistance levels, will give us more confidence that we are in the third wave to the upside. By the way, I need to move that all a little bit to the right hand side here as we are pushing a little higher. But yeah, it's very early days. I mean, I don't know if that is going to follow through. Let's go, and it should really follow through now. If it doesn't, I mean, if it now makes one more low below the below today's, so if you break down here once more below 1619, that wouldn't be healthy, and I think that would really push us down with a high likelihood to the weekend lows to retest here 1558. But for now, we can focus on higher. As I said before, we are making higher highs, higher lows. Trend is up at the moment. Actually, you can also now, and you can see that, add a trend line here, so that's quite cool. That might actually generate a trend channel. But of course, this, as you can see, we haven't even made a higher high now in this move up. It needs to follow through, and is currently getting rejected at 1651, 1652. Here the 50% retracement now needs to push above that. Then we've got 1673, then 1704, and then we can get to 1770 roughly, which is this wave 3 high. And besides that, there is not much more to add. Need to be careful that this doesn't turn into something like an ascending wedge. It already looks a bit like that. So this could eventually break down. That's what I mean. Probabilities are very, very close together here. This could be something bearish and break down. Therefore, I highlighted the orange ABC structure, and therefore I did highlight here the orange support area, because in orange, basically orange means that it is higher risk. It can break down more easily. Because probabilities are getting more, balanced here. It's not that clear that we are going to move up, because the entire structure could also easily be corrective. I mean, honestly, A wave, B wave, and now a C wave rally or WXY of some sort could just be corrective, especially if it turns out to be an ascending wedge and we do not break out of it to the upside. But yeah, let's see if we follow through now. Again, important is now to really hold today's low, and also to hold the trend line of this possible wedge pattern. So I hope you liked the update about ETH. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.